So good morning dear children. Today I am here in front of you with a new topic of our discussion from our first chapter, that is Digital Documentation Advanced. So in our previous sessions we have discussed how to insert image using a clipboard, how to image picture from a picture gallery, how to insert image from one document to another, source document to target document, then using picture dialog, inserting picture dialog, and using the drag and drop options. See, inserting an image. First option is drag and drop. The second one is inserting picture dialog, and the third category or third topic which we discussed was inserting an image from the clipboard. How image can be inserted using the clipboard. And as I said earlier, clipboard is also a buffer area which has been created temporarily inside the RAM or temporary storage, which helps us in storing that particular file which has to be copied from the source document to the target document for a certain duration of time, for an instant. Once our computer is turned on, that particular document from the clipboard will be lost automatically. Okay, so up to this we have considered in our previous discussion. Now let us come to the next, inserting an image using a scanner. How images can be inserted inside the computer using a scanner. At present, in front of us, we don't have a scanner physically present. So I cannot show you all the steps practically. Instead, I will be listing you the steps by means of which an image can be inserted using a scanner. See, in order to do so, we need to give instruction. In order to do so, we need to give instruction, means OpenOffice document will give instruction to the scanning application and will insert the scanned item onto the OO document. For this thing, first of all, the scanner should be turned on and we should make a request from the OpenOffice document. We should make a request to the scanning application for inserting that particular image. To start this procedure, there are a set of steps. Which graphics, whatever the graphics that we would like to insert, we need to select that particular graphic. For example, say Windows D. In my this folder, I do have certain pictures. Okay, here it is. One picture is there. Okay, so not this way. Actually, we need to open OpenOffice document. For this, we need to open OpenOffice document first. Select this. You see, our OpenOffice document got opened. Now the steps are like this. Go to insert. Insert picture. See, one option will be there here. Picture will be there. So picture. Then under the picture category, we need to select scan. Click on scan. As soon as we click on scan, one more window is generated, that is select source. Then we need to select the source from where that particular picture has to be scanned and inserted in our document. So this way we can go ahead and insert picture in our OpenOffice.org document using scanner application. Although this practice is quite easy and quick. See, as you can see, this practice is quick and easy. It is unlikely to result in a high quality image of the correct size. Means if we need our image with a particular size and in high quality, then it will be impossible. Means it is unlikely that the image which will be generated, which will be inserted into our documentation or document using a scanner application, will result in a high quality image and the size will also be correct. So we can get, however, we can get the better results by scan material into a graphics program and cleaning it up there before inserting the resulting image into OOO. So before inserting that particular scanned image into our OpenOffice.org document, the first thing, in order to get better result, the first thing which we should be doing is cleaning it up. Means we should edit it before being inserted into our OpenOffice.org document. Okay, so this is how we can insert an image using a scanner into our OOO document. Now let us come to the next topic, that is inserting an image from the gallery. From the gallery itself, see, in our OpenOffice.org document itself, there is a gallery. A gallery icon is there from which where lots of pictures are already inserted. From those pictures only we need to select our picture. Okay, so in order to do so, see, the gallery provides a convenient way to group reusable objects such as graphics and sound that you can insert into your document. Now we can insert graphics and sound into our document using the gallery application by grouping the reusable object. It is available in all components of OpenOffice. This gallery option is available in whatever the components that is present inside the OpenOffice application. So it does not come with many graphics. It does not have many of the graphics, but it consists of a limited set of graphics. We can add our own pictures or find extension containing more graphics. Okay, so this is about the gallery. What are the features that are available inside the gallery in our OpenOffice document. So let us go to the steps by means of which we can insert image into our OO document from the gallery. The first step is to open the gallery. To open the gallery, we need to click on gallery icon located in the right side of the standard toolbar, or we can also choose under the category of tools. Under tools tab also gallery option is there in the menu bar. Okay, so either we select gallery icon which is present on the right hand side of the standard toolbar, or we need to go to gallery from tools. How it can be achieved, let us see. So this is our OpenOffice document. See, on the right hand side, this is our gallery icon. As soon as I placed my cursor over there, it depicted gallery icon. Now click it here. You will get lots of pictures available. Based on our requirement, we can select any one of them. Now apart from this, here themes are also available. You can choose any themes, any symbol. See, all those things can be inserted. Suppose I would like to insert a box. Then select, place it over here, drag and place it over here. Okay, in the document. So this is using the gallery icon. Now apart from this, one more thing is there, that is using the tab. See, first one was using the gallery icon, and second one is from the tools tab, which consists of an option such as gallery in the menu bar itself. So let us move and check. See here, file, edit, view, insert, table, tools. Under the tools option, one gallery you will get. See here, under the tools option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh option is gallery. Click here, the same gallery window will be appearing in front of us. Okay, from where we can select any of the picture and then simply drag it on our document and it will get inserted. Fine. So navigate through the gallery to find the desired picture. Whatever the steps I have discussed, those things only here it is getting discussed. See, navigate through the gallery. Now once we open the gallery, we need to navigate through that particular gallery in order to find out the required picture according to our specification. Then we need to insert the picture. In order to insert the picture, click and drag it from the gallery into the writer document. See, as I depicted, suppose this is a writer document. I would like to insert the picture from my gallery into my document. Say the picture of this sun or recycle symbol. Simply select and press and hold left mouse click and drag it to the document. And once it is being dragged into the document, it will be inserted into our document. Okay, OpenOffice.org document. So this is the steps. You can also right click on the picture and choose insert copy. Apart from drag and drop, one more option is there, by simply right clicking that picture, that image, and selecting insert copy. So how it can be achieved? Let's see. Suppose I am deleting this one. Okay. Here I would like to insert the picture of a bulb. Say I would like to insert the picture of a bulb CFL. Okay. Then press right click. See, under right click one option insert is there. Copy. From insert select copy, and then it will automatically get pasted in our document. So this is how we can use the gallery options from the menu bar in order to insert picture in our openoffice.org document. See, few more things are there. By default, the gallery option is docked above the writer workspace. The OpenOffice writer workspace, the area where we perform all our tasks, that is also known as writer workspace. So our gallery is docked or placed above the writer workspace, as I have shown it earlier. See, this is docked above the writer's workspace. This is workspace, and above it our gallery is being placed, is being separately kept. To expand the gallery, position the pointer over the line that divides it from the top of workspace. When the pointer changes to parallel line with arrows, click and drag downward, the workspace resizes in response. To expand the gallery position, if we would like to expand the gallery position, we need to position the pointer over the line that divides it from the top of workspace. See, this is the gallery position. This is workspace. This is the gallery area. Now, if we would like to bring our workspace into its normal size, then, or to expand the gallery, then we simply need to place our cursor at this location, drag it upwards or downwards. Based on our requirement, workspace as well as the gallery will be increased or reduced in size. Okay, so this is how we insert an image from the gallery and expanding and contracting the size of our gallery. With this, I would like to conclude today's discussion. In our next discussion, we will discuss how to modify an image using picture toolbar, flipping vertically, horizontally, inserting colors, then using the formatting toolbar, cropping images. All those stuff will be discussed in our next part. Thank you.